back everyone. So today we are going to see how to delete or recover Gmail message. So let's suppose if I want to delete one message, so what I can do here, I just have to click on the message which I want to delete, and after that I have to click on this option which is delete one. After this, the single message gets deleted. If I want to delete more than one message, I just have to click on the message according to my preference, and once they are selected, again I have to click on the delete icon here. So the multiple messages are thereby getting deleted. So if I want to delete a message in a thread, I simply have to just open that message. So here in this thread I can see there are two messages which are present. So for that I just have to click on the more option. In the more option I just have to click on delete this message. So this is how you are deleting a message in a thread. Let's suppose if you want to delete all message in a category, so by category we can take it as labels. So I would just go to my category or label of Google, and if I want to delete all the message, I just have to click on the top left, select, and here it all the message are getting selected here, and I simply have to click on delete. So all the messages in that category gets deleted. So once my message are getting deleted, they are going into trash. So we have to click on more option. Here the trash option is present. So in the trash all the deleted messages are there. So if I want to delete my message even from the trash, I just have to click on the message which I want to delete. So let's suppose if I'm selecting here, and I have to click on delete forever. So once this message gets deleted, it is deleted forever and cannot be recovered by anything. So once you have to delete any message from trash, just remember that it won't be recovered anyhow. If I want to recover message from the trash, I simply have to click on the message which I want to recover. So let's suppose if I'm just selecting here this message, and I just have to click on this icon move to. So this is from here, from trash I'm moving this message to either my social updates, forum promotion, or like my multiple categories label, or to my inbox. So this message are getting recovered and they are getting placed back into the inbox. So this is how I am recovering my deleted message. Thank you guys.